Okay, we're going to move now to cutting the mortise in the center block. I'm just going to take a protractor and square up the end of the block by lining it up with the center line and then just marking it square. Then just going to take a small chisel and work down the center block to this line. Just take your time and work in small bites. Be careful around the sides that you don't separate them from the center block. Okay, once you've got all the irregularities out, take some 60 grit sandpaper and smooth it out. And now I'm just going to take a small bar clamp, and I'm just going to clamp the neck in place. And make sure you've got it lined up, the center lines on the back and in the front. I'll draw that in a little bit so you can see where it's at. And then once you've got it centered in, I'm just going to draw an outline around the tenon so I'll know where the mortise goes. Now I'm going to take a drill bit and I'm going to mark the depth with a piece of tape equal to what the depth of the tenon is. See, the depth there's about an inch, and that's about what we're going to mark the drill bit at. I'll go slightly less than that so I can finish it to the actual shape. I'm just going to drill this out. If you haven't used the tape on a depth stop, as soon as it starts brushing the shavings away, you'll know to stop. Then just take a small chisel and get the excess wood out. And then just smooth it down to your pencil line. And just continue on getting the sides and the bottom nice and square. And be sure not to overdo it. You want to make sure we get a nice tight fit between the body and the neck. Now periodically just check the fit to see if you can get the neck in there. And then just keep smoothing it down till the neck will fit in nicely. Now once you've got the sides to fit, start working on the depth and squaring up the bottom. Again, keep checking the neck. When you've got the neck right, you should see that it's flush. And now you can make some adjustments here on the tenon. And just work back and forth, adjusting the tenon until you get that fit good at the top.